Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. This time, let's go over using a drywall hoist to self-install a rooftop tent on your overland vehicle. In my case, my Jeep Gladiator is lifted, won't fit in the garage, so a ceiling hoist is not an option for the rooftop tent mount. And I like to keep it inside, out of the elements all year round. So this has worked out really good for me the past couple of years. I thought I'd share it. This is a 150 pound capacity drywall hoist by Harbor Freight. And this is the TuffStuff Alpha 2 rooftop tent, and it weighs 141 pounds. Obviously, this is not the intended purpose of a drywall hoist, but it does work for this if you're careful and want to assume the risk of doing something like this, right? So I have it attached to the drywall hoist with these ratchet straps. Here's a little bit of a closer look at how it's attached to the rooftop tent so it won't slide until I'm ready to deploy it. Attached to the hoist there and to the rooftop tent back here on both sides. Then you just raise it up after you have it in position and have the feet locked, have the wheels locked here. And then there's also a fold down foot lock over here when you have that in position. And I would also recommend as a safety blocking the wheels with wood or chalks or tires or whatever you have lying around. Let's get this thing installed. So there you go, guys. It's easy to do if you're just smart and careful with it. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking and sharing the video if you haven't already. And we'll see you guys around. Thanks.